Down in the garden where the red rose blows, I want to go. Walking like a flower, puzzle me an hour. Slowly let me learn that the red rose rag. For red seeds are falling.
Hi, this is Weaver Vangana. We're going to take a look now at some behind-the-scenes footage of what was shot, and also including some footage of the Faut Wharenga and some of the Salailua Malanga, so please enjoy.
The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and my papa. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary.
Yeah, o tau suese awana e uwhare e te tonu le whare sā, ua loka le ki, ua o ngā waenga ina o whainga le wenga le lipo, ma ua le iloa ki a whare sā.
Yes, and they'll all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. Oh, it's good to touch the green,
Ia rea o lo mita, o fia, o ori le au tāputa,
the
le
old
lato
house
whare sā.
is still standing. Oh, the paint is cracked and dry, and there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I'd walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold like chains.
And this is scaffolding about 3, 4, 5 meters above the ground level. Let's take a sneak
Yes,
peek
and
at
they'll
ground level.
come to see me, arms reaching,
As you can see, it's a long way down.
smiling
I don't want to fall off.
It's good to touch the green grass of home. Then I awake and look around me.
Excuse me.
Four gray walls surround me, and I realize
Once you rewind it.
Warning! The images and content you are about to see may be disturbing to some viewers. Parental guidance is recommended for children.
Cut off. Makarok na orang ak. Kamane kika lo. I love you.
Started for me, man. Yo, man, I'm just getting back from the tour, man. Yo, what it be like, man? Yo, bust it. turn me up. Somebody told me if you could make it in New York City, man, you could make it anywhere else, man. Somehow I believe that shit, man.
Oh, what a night. Late December 1993.
What happened?
Who thought he would rule the industry? What an MC.
Yo,
on the
I ain't always have whips, I ain't always have yachts, I ain't always have chips, I ain't always have rocks. Matter of fact, I was a grimy little Negro. It said if the music didn't work, I'd sell diesel. Which y'all thought I wasn't raised in the projects. First of the month, waiting for that PA check. Lived on the first floor. We was so poor that if you rung the buzzer, the roaches would answer the door. I went from boy to man in one night. When I saw my life flash like lights from Poltergeist. What made it worse, I couldn't speak English, but from his facial expressions, he wanted my Adidas. So warriors come out to play. I'd be damned if I leave barefooted in this hallway. And I got big plans, so beg your pardon, cause next year this time I'ma sell out the garden.
Late December 1993. Who thought he would rule the industry? What an MC
Yo,
on the
I
night.
ain't gon' brag and boast and said I did it all, but I'm the only rapper to play Carnegie Hall. The first rap group video cost $1 million. First rapper to ever rap for the Haitians.
last night when I looked in the sky. You were smiling. You told me it would be okay. You would make a way in my dark times. Every time I hear tomorrow one more time. When all my friends go away, I'll be glad to say you're still near me. Even when the wind blows by, I feel warm inside. You're so lovely. Every time I hear your voice, and every time I feel your touch, lets me know that I can face tomorrow one more time. I need you, don't leave me. Without you I can't survive. I need you, don't leave me. Without you I just can't survive. No, I can't survive. Every time I hear your voice, oh my Lord, oh yeah. Every time I feel your touch, I feel your touch. Lets me know that I can face tomorrow one more time. Oh, make it one more time, Lord. I can face tomorrow. You will walk me through my pain and sorrow. Walk me through my pain. Yes, I know that I can face tomorrow one more time. One more time.